Built for contractors who rely on the circular saw day in and day out. Introducing the Makita 5007 NK. Makita built more features into the 5007 NK, so contractors get improved ergonomics and ease of use, as well as commercial duty cutting power. The powerful 15-amp Makita-Built motor is engineered for the toughest jobs, whether it's cutting OSB sheet or plywood. You also get 56-degree bevel capacity with positive stops at 22 and 45 degrees. The large wraparound base has an easy-to-read scale with a clear sight line to the line of cut for increased accuracy. And the flat motor housing allows for quick blade changes with the onboard Allen wrench. Makita engineered ergonomics and comfort into the 5007 NK with an ergonomic rubberized grip and an oversized adjustment lever. Get power and performance for the toughest cutting applications. Get the 5007 NK circular saw from Makita.